Hello and welcome. You will learn what is how to write a book in 24 hours and how it works, what results you can expect after using it, what about benefits and side effects. In this video we are going to answer all these questions. So please keep watching to discover everything to know about this magic formula in this video, but before we start please like this video and subscribe to the channel if you are new here. This little action really supports us so much and motivates us to produce more and helpful contents for you. Do you want to take your writing to a greater level? Do you wish to ever write your own book? Are you looking for a guide that will help you minimize your writing period? If you answered yes to any of the above questions, this review targets you. Many people have the urge and great passion on writing. They die to make their own work and inspire or entertain people out there through writing. But the worst part of it is that they rarely make it up to their deeds. Do you know why? They lack the right guide to doing this. Don't kill your passion. Writing sells, and through it you can make huge and great money. The duration you take to write your book matters a lot. This will determine how you plot and all that staff's involved in writing. This man by the name Stefan Pillarinos brings to you this amazing and great program to improve your writing, increase how you think and the speed. All you need to do is to read my entire article and get to learn what I have in store for you. What is How to Write a Book in Less Than 24 Hours program? How to Write a Book in Less Than 24 Hours program is a comprehensive training program that guides you step by step on how you can write a book in less than 24 hours. It gives you the skills and techniques that the well-known writers use to put down their contents. The guide consists of 11 video lessons, 11 PDF summaries of each lesson. It also comes along with 3 bonus video lessons on Kindle publishing, finding a profitable niche and preparing your book to be published on Kindle. The author mentions this in all his reviews. It is primarily geared towards non-fiction books, but can also work effectively for fiction books. More so, the author offers an upsell where he provides you with a Kindle Money Mastery program which teaches how to publish, market and make money from Kindle publishing. About the author, Stefan Pillarinos. Stefan Pillarinos is the person behind this guide. Stefan is entrepreneur, internet marketer, author, life coach, professional speaker, fitness enthusiast, and world traveler. His purpose on How to Write a Book in Less Than 24 Hours program is to be a source of inspiration and change for those who refuse to settle for anything less than an extraordinary base on writing. He is an experienced writer who has been offering nothing but the best. In his program he talks deeply on how to improve your writing module and talent. He has been making huge money through writing and publishing his own books. He brings you this book to help you learn by his steps and get to make huge money through your own very books. What do you get from this program? Once you opt to this program, there are a number of things that you will get to learn from it. The program offers nothing but the best. Can you think of the feeling you can have whenever your book is a talk of the town? There is a lot of knowledge behind this amazing program. By just purchasing it, here are a number of things that you will get from it. You will get 11 high-quality, step-by-step videos plus PDFs explaining to you in an entertaining way exclusively the entire process of writing a book in less than 24 hours. An effective 10-step method program that the author says works like a charm. This is constantly used by him. You will be taught how to conduct proper research on the topics that you are writing about. The author will guide you on how to write high-quality books that can be easily published in Kindle, Nook, Kobo, Smashwords, or even in your own website. You will be given tactics on how you can publish your books as a paperback or hard copy book just as easily. Sometimes you run out of topics on what to write about. With this guide you will be guided on how to flame back the plot within no time. Basics on lit tittle formation that will create excitement to every individual that checks your book. How much the guide has to cost you? Once you visit a shop or a store, price is one of the determinant on the kind and the type of the product that you are going to purchase. The same case in here. As far as the program is concerned, it is important to know how much the program cost. Many reviews always include this section. Basically, it will help to opt to a no-scam but legitimate program out there in the market. By just $17, you will have this program all by yourself. The product is relatively cheap and affordable by everyone. When you buy the product, you will have instant access to the members area. More to that, you are provided with a 30-day money-back guarantee. That is in case you are not satisfied with this program. You will also receive a friendly and round-the-clock customer support. The author values most your satisfaction. Scam or legit? This is a pure legitimate program. The program emphasizes on the techniques, styles and ways on how you can improve your writing. It is based on facts and it is well tested and proven to work. Once you buy the guide, you are protected by a 30-day money-back refund. That is in case you are not happy with the program. That is how far the author trusts his product. Pros. Gives you all skills and secrets on how you can write a book within the shortest time possible. You'll get instant access to the members area. Customer service is highly offered. Easy and simple step-by-step instructions that are cheap to follow and practice. 2 bonuses that will help you in mastering the art of fast writing. Legitimate ways through which you can improve the way you write. Cons. You will have to put some efforts for you to acquire the best results. It does not guarantee you overnight results. Honestly, I would highly recommend this program for you. In case you have been looking for the best program that will help you improve the way you write, then this is the right program for you. It is very easy to apply considering the fact that its features are precise. Many people have already started to use this guide and the feedback is highly motivating. Having a 24-hour customer support assures you that you can get assistance in case you find it hard to use this system. It is proven to be a legitimate program and you are assured by the time you are done, you will receive the best results. It's a valuable investment that you have ever made in your life. Get your How to Write a Book in 24 Hours today. Click the link in the description to start right now. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel right now. Just click on the subscribe button below this video, and if you have any question, please go ahead, let us know by leaving a comment below right now.